Looking for a natural way to brighten your skin? How about exploring the vibrant and nutrient-rich world of papaya-based skincare? Today, we're sharing a simple recipe for a papaya and honey face mask that can help brighten your complexion and improve your skin's overall texture. Imagine harnessing the tropical goodness of ripe papaya, renowned for its skin-friendly enzymes and vitamins. Combine this with the natural humectant properties of raw honey, and you've got a skincare powerhouse that's as natural as it is effective. First, you'll need half a cup of mashed ripe papaya. The riper the papaya, the better, as it contains more of the skin-brightening enzyme, papain. Next, add a tablespoon of raw honey to your mashed papaya. Honey not only moisturizes, but also has antibacterial properties, making it an excellent ingredient for skin health. Now let the magic begin. Mix together the mashed papaya and honey in a bowl until well combined. The consistency should be smooth and easy to spread. With clean fingers, apply the mask to your face, taking care to avoid the delicate eye area. Feel the cool, soothing sensation of the mask as it starts to work its magic. Allow yourself to relax as the mask sits on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to sit back, read a book, or simply enjoy a moment of tranquility. After the wait, gently rinse off the mask with warm water. As you wash it off, feel the difference in your skin. It should feel softer, smoother, and noticeably brighter. Pat your skin dry and follow up with your usual moisturizer to lock in the benefits of the mask. Consider applying this mask twice a week as part of your skincare routine. Over time, you'll notice a natural brightening effect as the papaya and honey work together to improve your skin's overall texture and appearance. So there you have it, a simple, natural solution to brighter skin. A papaya and honey face mask that's easy to make and a delight to use. Enjoy the journey to radiant skin, one tropical mask at a time.